Ways to make him scared to lose your love. Creating deep emotional value makes a man fear your absence. This isn't about manipulation, but about knowing your worth. You become unforgettable when you combine love with strong boundaries. When you radiate confidence and peace, he won't want to lose you. Here are 9 powerful ways to make him scared to lose your love. 1. Love yourself first so he knows your heart is valuable. When you treat yourself well, he follows your lead naturally. You teach him how to value you through self-love. A woman who values herself makes others fear losing her. He'll know your love is rare and worth keeping forever. 2. Show him consistency, but never become too predictable. Be reliable, but leave space for mystery and surprise. Predictability can create comfort, but mystery builds lasting desire. Keep him guessing while still being emotionally available and supportive. He'll fear losing someone who balances consistency and intrigue perfectly. 3. Stand firm in your boundaries without guilt or apology. When you enforce limits, he sees your inner strength clearly. Men respect women who know what they will not tolerate. The fear begins when he realizes you'll walk away peacefully. He won't risk losing someone who respects herself so deeply. 4. Make your life fulfilling and joyful even without him. Pursue passions, grow your skills, and create your own happiness. When you thrive independently, your love becomes even more magnetic. He'll see you as someone he can't easily replace. That sense of loss will scare him deeply and permanently. 5. Give him emotional peace that feels like his safe place. Be the calm he runs to in moments of pressure. Emotional safety is rare and men deeply crave that connection. When you're his peace, he'll fear emotional chaos without you. He'll guard your love like something too precious to lose. 6. Make your presence felt even when you're not around. Leave him thoughtful notes, texts, or items with meaning. Let your memory linger through your scent, words, or actions. These reminders will make him miss you when alone. He'll fear not having those moments and feelings ever again. 7. Surprise him with depth through meaningful conversations and moments. Speak about life, dreams, memories, and emotional truths often. Men remember how you make them feel when talking. Emotional bonding builds deep roots in his heart permanently. He'll fear losing someone who understands him at his core. 8. Be supportive without losing yourself in the process. Cheer him on, but never dim your own light. Your support should uplift both him and yourself equally. He'll see that your love empowers, not controls or consumes. That balance will make him protect your presence even more. 9. Never chase him, let him do the chasing always. If he pulls away, don't follow, just hold your space. Scarcity creates value, and your energy should never be wasted. When he realizes you won't beg, the fear grows. He'll worry about losing someone who's irreplaceable and dignified. When you master these 9 ways with grace and strength, your love becomes unforgettable. He will think about you constantly and cherish your presence more. The idea of losing you will haunt his quiet thoughts. And the fear of living without your love will grow stronger. Because you've shown him your heart, but also your power.